Hello, this is May's Design Corner, and I am coming to you with another Christmas DIY. And let me tell you, it's so quick and easy. If I stop running my mouth, I'll be done before you know it. But I got to run my mouth a little bit because I got to ask you, did you pray today? And did you thank God for everything that's going on today? Yes, I must ask you that. Well, today I'm going to make a nutcracker tier tray. Nutcracker tier tray. And I got these nutcrackers from the Dollar Tree. You remember when they had them at the Dollar Tree and they were $1.25? So what I did, I got an old charger. And I think you all remember these chargers. Don't you remember these chargers? 'Tis the season that you can get from the Dollar Tree. They had the matching cups. I still got the matching cups as well. Well, what I did, I went on and I put, make sure that you get the ones with the flat head. The ones with the flat head, and you glue them on. Put 4 on because you want it to be real sturdy. You want it to be really, really sturdy. So now I got that bottom one on, and I'm going to turn the words that way, and I'm going to turn the words that way with this one as well. And this one is cracked, but it will make a it will make an excellent tier tray because it's already cracked. So what I'm going to do, I got the ones on here already. So I'm going to follow the same pattern. And you see how that 'tis the season is down here? So I'm going to do this one back that way as well. To make sure I get them stuck right, I'm going to take the glue and put it on the nutcrackers right up here on these 4. And I had my glue gun already heating up and hot. Now, if you want to reuse this stuff again, don't put as much glue on it, okay? But if you want it to be permanent, I can tell you, this glue can be permanent. I tell you, it's good. So now we're going to take this, we're going to turn this around this way, and we're going to line that up like this. And what I'm doing is looking to see where it is here and there. And then I'm going to hold it down like this. You're going to hold it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once you hold it 2 to 3 minutes, then turn it over like this. There you go. Turn it over like that. And there you go. This is the easiest tier tray that I have made. And look, it's stuck already. But you know what I like to do to make sure it's good and stuck? I take my glue gun and just go right around there a little bit. Just go around each one to make sure it's stuck. So I'm going to go around each one of these. Remember, use the nutcrackers with the flat head. You can't use the ones with the big head. Use the ones with the flat head. And just go all around again to make sure they are amply stuck. And that's it. And just look at that tier tray. Y'all, That is some beautiful tier tray. Look at that. And look, it's stuck already because they're plastic and the charger plate is plastic. Look at that. See? You can lift it up. And then once you get it that way, you can start lining up things on your tier tray. See, I'm going to put some more, see, you can't get him under there because he got that little knob up there. So I'm going to put him up here. And we're going to put him up there. And him right there. And all you got to do is move them back so you can see what I did. I'm just putting him there and him right there. I have a lot of these nutcrackers so I can make a tier tray, but I wanted to show you how I made this tier tray. I thank you so very much for looking, and I hope that you find you some chargers that you're not using. It doesn't matter if they're cracked or rusted. Just clean them off and make them look good, shine up good, look clean. And then you can put anything you want on this tier tray because it is Christmas. And you know what? Let me show you something. You can put bread up there. You can put a little fruit up there. And let me get this to show you how you can do it. You can put fruit in between here. It's just a lot of things you can do with this Nutcracker tier tray. So this is May's Design Corner saying thank you so very much for looking. And I hope you make you one. Just look at that. It's not going to come loose, not doing anything. I thank you all so very much for looking. And please don't forget to pray for someone else besides yourself. Prayer is very important now. We need prayer. We need prayer. Prayer is very, and let me tell you, prayer really works. May's Design Corner saying, make you a nutcracker. You can use any kind of charger you want, but make sure it's the flat head, the ones with the flat head on, so you can get it on. Thank you again so very much. Happy holidays and happy decorating. Prayer really works, people. Do